And for the rest of the family members, on the stay strong and know say, and I want alone and mourn. Cause some people.
Any man will see me, my brother, or anybody will par around me on the road, dog, and feel like when I want to do something, I'm going to make an example out of one dog. That me I tell you, dog.
Look at Ali. Please, be careful out there. Your father sing the song, say the streets no love nobody. Zin? And it's true, you have to be careful. Remember, you're a Vybz Kartel son. And that's me say, enough people don't like Vybz Kartel for whatever reasons. And remember, can't get squawk or catch a shot.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yes, good morning. Morning, Maureen.
Hello,
you alright?
Phil.
How are you?
You?
I'm fine. Yeah, no, you just got it done.
Hairdresser come and cut all our hair. We don't
Okay.
go out very often, so
Yeah.
she come and cut it for us.
Yeah.
You keeping all right?
Is that, yeah.
Good, good.
Just got I'm traveling tomorrow.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Where are you travelling?
Going to the States.
Oh.
Yeah, gonna visit my kids. You know, got some kids over there.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
How many children you got then?
6.
Good gracious me, Philip.
Yeah.
We have been busy.
I know, yeah.
Got a holiday and going
Not really holiday, but I'm just gonna see. I haven't seen them for like four years now. Yeah, because of COVID and all that. So
to... Yeah, I know. I know
Yeah.
about that, all right.
yeah. How's Jazzy? Alright?
It's not been wonderful, really.
Yeah.
It's, you know, just age, really, you know. I suppose it's not very
yeah.
nice, but...
We all have to get there one day, innit? So as long as he's alive, life
Well,
is
yes,
good.
yes.
Have to
He
be
makes the
grateful.
most
Yeah.
of it, and
yeah,
that's it,
yeah,
innit?
yeah.
Yeah, he's all right. But
Yeah.
you're going to the States
Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah,
tomorrow?
yeah, tomorrow. Yeah. So I'm just gonna grab something in the West End
Yeah.
for my daughter and then go to
Philip,
work.
I never knew you had 6 children.
I know.
Blimey.
Yeah.
2 lovely boys here.
Yeah, they're
They're
3.
getting big.
Yeah, 3 boys.
3
yeah.
boys
yeah,
here,
yeah,
yeah?
yeah. The big one, he's 17 now.
We saw him once and we didn't talk.
Yeah. That's the show, man. The 2 little ones.
Right.
Malachi and Asher. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. How's your sister? She alright?
Yep. We're all plodding along. Actually getting in. Yeah.
At least you get a little sunshine.
I know. I'm waiting for that. I want to get
Yeah.
out. I'm just going to potter
Into your
around here for a
garden, yeah.
minute.
You're
Try
looking
and do
nice.
something. It's gradually getting there again, Philip.
Yeah.
What time are you going tomorrow? Night flight or?
4 in the evening. Yeah, so
That'd
get
be
there
nice,
2 hours
wouldn't it?
before and only for 2 weeks.
Very
Yeah,
nice,
then
eh?
back to work.
And then back to work, Philip.
Yeah, back to work the next day.
That's
So
the
no
trouble,
rest.
isn't it? No,
Yeah,
no
yeah.
rest. 6 children. I'm going to tell Linda and Mum when I'm going. to work, Philip.
Yeah. Alright, Maureen, take care.
Look after yourself.
Bye. That's what over there was, isn't it? I don't get for no look at my business now, no fast like. Big up myself, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know a lion food, and I say give thanks to life, health and strength. Life are the greatest. Zine, yeah man. I don't know what's that's how we do the thing really on the battlefield. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so tomorrow I'm gonna travel. You see me? Yeah. So in this episode of my viewers and subscribers, I wanna pay condolence again to Ricky Trooper, Zine and Nesbeth. We see Nesbeth I represent, I think at the 9 night or something. You know what I mean? We also have to address the look at the situation where he came out, a boisterous, you know, event and his experience in Ochi and also his apology. So we're gonna analyze down the thing and then you can leave in the comment section. Then you're not the man of peace, you know. Our love we say, love conquers all. Zin. So big up the whole Jamaica, big up the whole world. That's how we do it to keep it real on the battlefield. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, hit the bell. We are forward.
Man of Peace Records.
Like Hurricane Sandy, you blew me off my feet. I'm mesmerized by your beauty and physique. I want to get to know you, please can we meet, girl? You are the missing diamond to make my life complete.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. I don't know, I'm a new single that may drop soon. I Want You, Zin. So let me know what you think of it so far, on the ear so far, Zin. Yeah man, all of love. I don't know, Man of Peace Records. You see what I say? So first, Ricky Trooper, lost his daughter, and we said the whole world event, we see Mavado come out, you know, and everybody show support, you know. Even Bounty Killer say, even though him blow like a bone in a Ricky Trooper, I'm still a support, you know. I hope the killer, the culprit, get caught and brought to justice. See, so Nesbeth there, 9 night, watch a little snippet, you know.
And for the rest of the family members, when they stay strong and know say, and I don't alone and mourn. Because some people will never get to make it. And mourn we don't know. I mourn with Trooper straight. You see me I say? Trooper, a family we say, you know. It was a normal day like today. Trooper a plan for tomorrow when the news came and everything changed. Trooper life now go be the same. When Trooper get the news, phone drop a ground, him knee get weak and everything.
Yes man, big up yourself Nesbeth. The joy if you see out there support the family, you know, support Ricky Trooper. I don't know enough you Ricky Trooper send out there to the road on him sound system, no for to see him boss. You see me? And I one of the entertainment brothers them, you see me? So it's a joy. Big up yourself Nesbeth, big up Ricky Trooper, stay strong same way. You know, we know you're emotional and you keep breaking down and your daughter gone, she never come back. You see me? So I love we say, and we say stop the violence against women. Zine? Stop the violence against women. Now, next, my viewers and subscribers. Look at Addy came out venting the other day, sharing his experience of what took place in our mall, plaza, Awoche. So here, I look a piece.
Yeah, I said that. This is the last time when I go see me go live at Address. This morning, I don't know if the people them in the Ochi familiar with this place named Taj Mahal Plaza. This morning, I go in there to collect my breakfast in the Benz, and them two security guards that were working over Taj Mahal Plaza and a fucking OT. Them money come run down on car with gun in and I come talk about this and that, really check me to shoot man, bad man. What the fuck can I feel like dog? I come run up on man, I come talk about suck father, really like when I know me from nowhere pussy. What the fuck can I feel like bad man, dog? Hear me I say.
Yeah, but so that's look at the came up venting. Remember I used the whole of the video because I don't want to see it already, it went viral. And when I saw it, I said, there's 3 sides to every story, you see me? 3 sides to every story. What could have caused that to escalate to, you know what I mean? We're drawn. You know, I don't know if gun we're drawn for true or what, but yeah. Not saying look at this a liar, but yeah. See? So, look at it come back out and apologize to his fans for his behavior and some things that he said, you know what I mean? He wants to apologize, which is right. I know when you're angry and upset, you say things where you can come up a man to where you don't mean, you see me? Oh, the sun is shining, I tell you. Give thanks for the sunshine, you know. I give thanks for life every day I open my eyes. I pray to the Lord while I watch the sunrise. I let him know that I'm grateful, even though I don't have a plateful. Remember, once there is life, there is hope. Just literaries with no knife, arrange yourself with no rope. Just hold the faith and be grateful. Yeah man, come out of the sunshine, you know. Yeah man, so yeah man, look at Addy came out and do his apology, and this is what he said.
Got up and ordered breakfast at a restaurant called Cafe Express. I've seen Ochi at the Taj Mahal Plaza. Anybody at Ochi, anybody who live at Ochi know the plaza, they say. This morning, after I arrived at the restaurant, I was looking for a parking space and couldn't find any. Bear in mind, this is my first time at the restaurant and me never know where it is. So I was looking for a parking, and while parking, 2 security guards ran down on me with guns, threatening me, asking me what the reason for my day. So ray bugger thing. till it all lead to the point where they must start disrespect me and talk about suck father, bugger thing. So me I say, yo, or the first me I see this. Them a come talk about how me pull up in a Benz, in a dark Benz, I spin around parking lot. I look for parking and this and that on some intimidation thing. So they even make that face me. So I walk upstairs, I try to look for the restaurant same way. And then these two security guards, I don't even know if a security for the plaza or anything, because I'm never in a uniform or anything. But they kept on following me, threatening me about oh, they might go shoot me in the face, this and that. So this morning, when everybody saw me on the live acting the way I was acting, that was the reason. So I just want to make it public, say I'm being targeted when I go outside in public. You see me? That's the reason why I came on live to address this situation. Everybody was texting me, asking me if I'm good, I'm govern everything, but I make it known publicly, say I'm being threatened, I'm being harassed by the public for no reason. Don't know what the reason is, but yeah, that was the reason. So everybody on the live govern, say I'm there. You see me?
Okay, so yeah, look at the apologize and I explain more clearer now what took place, what happened, what went down. See? So to my analyzation and observation, I think what happened is look at it, like him go pick up him breakfast at the mall, him send them away. So him a drive around in the mall, maybe I look parking or something, and the security guards saw the car, the Benz, the big fat Benz, tint up and, you know, with a source of observer one, because you know how Jamaica run right now. Jamaica run red, you see me? Whole heap of robbery take place, you know, contract killing, program around and place I get robbed. So security guards maybe see the car, don't know who is in it because it tint up, you see me? So them now take a check. So they approach the vehicle now. And I say, yo, where are the who is it? What the purpose of circle? So nothing more than maybe them approach was wrong and you know look at it would have identified himself now and maybe not take no talk, you never know. One thing lead to another and it turns out that way. You know. So that's what I think happened. You know, let me know if you know agree or not or what, but yeah. The security guard them see the car, I said the car looks suspicious, you know. And maybe approach them, you know, with them and trigger and gun ready to pull off out of the holster. And maybe look at it with a see that and feel intimidated and say, oh no, and blah. We know how we Jamaicans say, we're hot-headed, we're quick to retaliate. You see me? Boops now them gonna find out, so wait, now this no cartels on this. You see me? And then they realize that cartels on and maybe words were exchanged and them not taking the talk. You see? Maybe them security they don't like cartel. No. The facts, the truth. Enough people don't like cartel. See? For whatever reason, lion food don't know. So may I say? Yeah, but we know enough people don't like cartel. Some of the law enforcement don't like cartel. Normal citizens don't like cartel. Can they call up enough things, people accuse them of things. Lion foot don't know. See? But let's face facts and the truth. That's all. I know that's all lion foot talk. See? So my question, my thing to look at it now. Look at it. Please. Be careful out there. Your father sing the song, say the streets no love nobody. See? And it's true. You have to be careful. Remember you're a Vybz Kartel son. And that's me say, enough people don't like Vybz Kartel for whatever reasons. And remember, can't get squawk or catch a shot. See? You know you're a big man now and you feel like you want to, you should be able to be on the streets. See? Of Jamaica because you're a Jamaican citizen. You're your brother, your family, whatever, you see me? So you feel like if you're out there, which is right. But remember, Cartel your father. And remember, attempts were made of a Sika Rhymes twice. I know Sika Rhymes close, one Addy, a family member as well. You see me? So, please be careful out there, and if you are touching the road, you should have your security. And Vybz Kartel, if you watch this, security should be around them. You know you're rich and you have your money. So, prevention is better than cure. You see me, the streets dangerous. And we don't want to look at them go do nothing that's out of the law and out of character, and then go end up in a trouble now. You see me? And them go say, yeah man, so the father, so the son. Zine. So look at it, that happened. What you should have done yesterday is you know, report it to this police. If gun were drawn for no reason. I see them in a plain clothes, I don't know if I'm a police or not. Should have reported, the matter should have been reported to the police, get a written statement as proof, and also try find out, source out the owner for the complex, the mall, who employed those security guards. See and report the matter. And if you want to pursue it, that's they lose their job or whatever, get suspended for their action. But we all know at Jamaica that corrupt, see, now you have your rights and still lose because money run things and links run things at Jamaica. So maybe you're going to report it and nothing will come out right. Same way, but do it the right way, you know, take the actions the right way. See, and we don't want to say you know, not getting into trouble, you know what I mean? Make sure the matter report to the law and them thing there, you know? Yeah, so that's just my view and take on it. Viewers and subscribers, pick up on yourself a Lionfoot, you know. Yeah man, I don't know. So we give thanks to life, health and strength. All Emmanuel I Selassie, big up yourself. The whole world, big up, you know, the palm of them, food man, walk man. You see me? The palm of them, yeah. We don't know Cartel, you know, I've seen Cartel a few times in a Painland. You see me, the fame land? Yeah. That's how we do the thing way on the battlefield. We give thanks to life, man. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click the bell. You see me, we keep the thing real over here. So if you don't have any story you want to share, I want to open up, reach out to Lionfoot. They switch up the thing right now in a different way where, you know, people can come and voice their concerns and share their story, because I listened to a thing last night on the radio, Talk Sport, and no footballer being abused and molested, you know. In the football thing from they're young, and they kept it as secret until them hold them come out. Where football coach touch them up and actually abuse them, you see me? Yeah, it's sad, so you have to talk on that topic more, you see me? I say, but don't know, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, click the bell. I'm out! That's another word out, I'm out!
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.